Well, it's 3 in the morning of the big day. Surf forecast says are really large. The buoys are running about 100 feet out there. I'm looking forward to riding some really big waves today. Hopefully nobody will get hurt. But Don and I will be towing each other into some water mountains today. Boy, you know, that was almost a spiritual experience out there. I saw the wave, it was great big, and Don was towing me in. And at first I wanted to go deeper, but then I kind of wanted out. It was awfully big, and Don kept saying, go, go, and pulled me in deeper, and I just went for it. And looking forward to be a really good, probably going to be one of the best days all year, they say, possibly in 10 years. Really big swell. It's a giant storm out there, and it's early, but we've got big plans for today.
That was quite an experience. I couldn't believe it. The first wave, we let go by, and when you said go deeper, I said, okay, here we go.
Boy, it was big and rough, and that was a borderline spiritual experience. I'm glad I survived. Can't believe I made it. It's good to be on dry land.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how that wave was. I thought for sure if you didn't make it, you would just be completely obliterated. It was a pretty scary wave.
Really some rough waves out there. Glad I survived. Felt kind of stiff out there too. I probably should have stretched first. I can't believe I survived some of those. Really took a pounding. Glad to still be alive. Awfully rough. It really took a beating. It's good to be on dry land. Anything else?
Yeah, next time take this guy with you. Oh, that was great. That was a good one. That was a pretty scary wave. I'm just glad you made it. I'm glad you had this guy with you too.
You know, the whole time the camera was like creaking back.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, it was.
Should we try it again?
No, but that was pretty good. I know.